Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to remove a digital signature from your fillable PDF form using Foxit PDF Editor. This will fill on PDF form see this digital signature and I'll remove this. Put your mouse cursor on this signature and press right button. Now select a clear signature and this signature now remove. Now click on this signature box. You can add new signature and create here, or you can add existing signature with modify, or you can remove this signature box completely. Now click on the selection down arrow and select annotation and put your mouse cursor this box. Now select delete. A signature box now completely delete, and finally save this file option. Save by save as a fillable PDF form. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.